because I need electricity, which are the batteries, hydrogen generator, hydrogen tank, engines.
This thing's so fucking hard.
Put it on the stock
Some
market.
people like to make lists.
Yeah, but
Your IPO is not working too
trying
well.
to line the thing up so I can fucking land it, and it doesn't strafe. It's like something's wrong with my side engines.
God.
Here we go.
So,
Alright,
I
engage.
see the red. You see the red? Hey.
Alright, I'm closing on it.
Tell me when you fire.
I'm 500. Tell me when. I'm ready to kill it.
If it's shooting at you, wouldn't it be time?
Smoke
Oh,
it.
it's gone.
Okay, what the laggy fuck was that?
I never even saw it.
What is going on?
Did it disappear?
Alright.
It's sentient.
Sean
You
goes.
just lost a piece of armor.
Alright.
The thing is so jacked up.
Alright, here we go.
You missed.
What the hell? God damn it.
Where's the fucking red road?
Okay.
Okay, can I... shit, well...
Man, there's
Yep.
shit flying everywhere. What do you got? There we go. Push. You can do it.
Shit.
Just do it at your battery.
It's so angry! Oh shit! For those watching from home, this is the drone we managed to farm, so... It's very chewy.
Good God.
So James is saying you might need a safety device on top of the
Yeah,
pit.
like a rail or
Maybe
something.
like a pit?
Oh, all my screens are gone.